guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Lirin app. So all you have to do, just go down, click on my Lirin down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click in this sign here. So then come to this list, you click above this sign. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here and you click here on account settings. When you click on account settings, it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open with you, so it's going to take a time. Then you click here on visibility here, so then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here and you click here on notify connections when you are in the news, and come to this list here. You come here to notify network if mentioned in news. You click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.